In this video, you'll learn how to issue a credit note and allocate it to a sales invoice in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you will be able to manage returns, refunds, or invoice corrections efficiently within the platform. Start by navigating to the Zoho Books website. In your web browser, enter the URL for Zoho Books and press enter. Once the page loads, you will see the main dashboard. If prompted, sign in using your credentials to access your. This step is crucial as you need to be logged in to manage your financial documents. After signing in, locate the sidebar on the left side of your screen, click on the option labeled Sales. This will take you to the sales management section where you can manage invoices, credit notes, and other sales-related tasks. The screen will refresh to display various sales options. Next, find and select the option labeled Credit Notes within the Sales section. This will direct you to a page specifically for managing credit notes. You will see a list of existing credit notes, if any, along with options to create a new credit note. Once you are on the credit notes page, look for the button that says Create Credit Note. Click this button to begin the process of issuing a new credit note. After clicking, you will be taken to a new screen where you can enter details for the credit note. On the new credit note page, first click on the field labeled Customer Name. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select an existing customer or add a new one. Make your selection carefully to ensure the credit note is allocated to the correct account. After selecting the customer, click on the option that says Select or Add a Customer. If you are adding a new customer, fill in the necessary information that appears on the screen. Completing this step accurately is important for maintaining accurate records. Next, locate the field for the reference number. Click on this field to enter a unique identifier for the credit note. This helps in tracking and referencing the credit note in the future. Make sure to save this information before proceeding. After entering the reference number, click on the field labeled Credit Note Date. A calendar will pop up, allowing you to choose the appropriate date for the credit note. Select the date that corresponds to the transaction to maintain accurate records. Once you have selected the date, proceed to the item table section. Click on it to open the area where you can add items related to the credit note. This is essential for detailing what items are being returned or adjusted. In the item table, click on the ITM Details section. Here you can specify the items that will be included in the credit note. Selecting the correct items ensures that your inventory and financial records are updated accurately. Following this, choose the specific item you want to include in the credit note. Click on the item from the list provided. This action adds the selected item to the credit note, ensuring clarity on what is being credited back to the customer. After adding the item, you can scroll down to the Customer Notes section. Click on it to add any specific notes that may be relevant to the customer regarding the credit note. This information can help in clarifying the purpose of the credit note. Next, locate the Terms and Conditions section. Click on this field to review or modify any terms associated with the credit note. This step is crucial as it sets the expectations for the credit transaction. Following that, click on the Email Communications section. Here you can adjust how and if the credit note will be communicated with the customer. This can include sending the credit note via email directly from Zoho Books. Finally, click on the button that says Save as Open. This action will save your credit note in an open status, allowing for any further modifications if necessary. Once saved, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the credit note has been successfully created. At this point, you have successfully issued a credit note and allocated it to a sales invoice in Zoho Books. This process is vital for maintaining accurate financial records and managing customer returns effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.